For centuries, humans have been fascinated by creatures that have stood the test of time. Among these, the captivating world of sharks shines bright. This video will explore the tales of longevity and unveil secrets hidden deep within the ocean's guardians, sharks. Our journey begins with the enigmatic Greenland shark. Found primarily in the frigid waters of the North Atlantic, these ancient mariners are believed to be among the longest living vertebrates on Earth. Exemplifying endurance, they can live for over 400 years. Imagine the stories their existence could narrate, spanning eras of human history as mere chapters in their extensive lifespans. What allows these mystical creatures to enjoy such extraordinary longevity? The secret, perhaps, lies in their slow life. Greenland sharks grow sluggishly, barely a centimeter a year, meandering through the depths at an unhurried pace. This slow progression extends to their overall metabolism. Unlike their more energetic counterparts, these sharks conserve energy, reducing the metabolic wear and tear that hastens aging. Moreover, their environment plays a pivotal role. Dwelling in cold, deep waters, their tissues are preserved from biological decay that warmer temperatures would hasten. They thrive in the darkness where time appears almost suspended, holding the same patience the icebergs share. These ancient creatures also boast impressive DNA repair mechanisms. As they dwell in near-perpetual darkness, their cells must endure high-pressure environments, reducing the cellular damage typically induced by ultraviolet light. This contributes to the decreased incidence of cancers and other diseases that afflict creatures with shorter lives. But it's not just their biology. Sharks serve as living repositories of historical information. They offer insights into climate change, ocean health, and the fluctuating balance of ecosystems over time. Their longevity allows researchers to piece together stories from centuries past, using chemical markers and tissues to reconstruct vast environmental narratives. Beyond the Greenland species, other sharks also hold longevity secrets. The age of the mighty whale shark, marked by characteristic spots, can reach over a century. Researchers study the growth rings in their vertebrae, similar to those found in trees, revealing life histories from eras when the seas remained untouched by industrial hands. As we consider the whale's endurance, their diet emerges as a critical component. Preferring plankton over prey, their food sources tend to maintain healthier ecosystems compared to overfished areas. This balance aids their survival in a delicate dance with the environment. Yet the tale of sharks' longevity is not entirely their own making. Part of their endurance owes itself to robust conservation efforts. Protecting these creatures from overfishing and habitat destruction has become a global priority over recent decades, allowing these legends of the sea to persist and inspire with their enduring mysteries. In closing, the tale of sharks' longevity is a testament to the majesty of nature's design. Their ability to live through the tides of change, navigating both the deep ocean and the shifting challenges of survival, provides us with invaluable wisdom. As we continue to learn from these remarkable creatures, may we strive to protect them and the fragile ecosystems they mirror, ensuring they remain as custodians of our oceans and as timeless storytellers of the sea's silent chronicle. In the enduring dance of life and time, sharks remain exemplary models of survival, a reminder that in stillness, patience, and balance lies the secret to a long, enduring existence. And so, as we weave our own narratives on this planet, let us tread patiently and protectively, cherishing every life form that graces our shared blue world.